Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a full reset of your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is a clear factory reset. If you are going to sell your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, you should or you have to perform this, because if you do not perform all steps, then the new owner will be have trouble with his or him or her new phone. This is really important. We have to get two important steps. First step is we have to remove our Apple ID from this smartphone. This is so important, because if we do not remove our ID from this iPhone, the new owner will have problems, because the new owner have to enter your Apple ID in that iPhone here. Okay? So 2 steps. First step, remove your Apple ID. Second step, reset all. Reset the settings and erase all data. So let's perform this. Smartphone is here. We go settings, app, and here you can see our Apple ID. Okay, this is the Apple ID. Your picture will be there and your email address. So, and then you can see your Apple ID on the upper side of the device, and on the bottom side you can see your other smartphones, your other Apple ID device, etc. And here is the app Find My. Let's push the Find My app. Here, Find My iPhone. Okay? This is enable your iPhone and other supported accessories to be shown on the map. This is your Apple ID is docked with this iPhone here. So we perform now, go to Find My iPhone. And now we have to remove this icon here. We are removing Find My iPhone. For this, we have to enter our Apple ID password. Okay, then return. And here we are. Find My iPhone is off. This was step number 1 to make a clear factory reset. Okay, this is really important. I repeat. Go to your Apple ID. Go to Find My. And here it has to be off. It has to be off. This is really important. Back to settings. And if we are in settings, we have to swipe a little bit down to general. Now swipe down, and here you can see reset, not shutdown. Shutdown is only shutdown. But we are going to reset this device now. Reset all settings, erase all content and settings. Then reset all settings means all your data will be on that phone after the reset. That's not a good idea, because the new owner can read every message, can see all your pictures, etc. That's not good. So erase all content and settings. Now, documents and data are being uploaded to the iCloud. You can finish the uploading and then erase, or erase now. After this, we have to enter our passcode. This is the passcode which we gave the iPhone while we are programming the Face ID, okay? This is the passcode of Face ID. Then, here comes some information. This will delete all medias and data and restore all settings. And this is what we are going to do, because after this, it's a clear factory reset. Erase. And there's another option. Are you sure you want to continue? All meters, data, and settings will be erased. This cannot be undone. And that means all data are gone after I am now pushing erase the iPhone. Goodbye, data. Goodbye. Now the iPhone is getting back to factory reset. After this process, the iPhone is factory new, but only in software base. If you have some scratches on your iPhone, of course, the scratches will be there after the reset. But this can fix a lot of problems too. Okay, if you have some problems, you can use first the hard reset. If that does not have a good solution, you can perform this, erase and make a factory reset. And if does not have a good function, you have to go to DFU mode and then erase all data again. But most to erase all data and get the factory reset is if you're going to sell this iPhone. Because if you do not perform the first step, Find My app, if you don't switch this to off, the new owner will have to enter your Apple ID from this iPhone, and then you can enter. But this is not good, because with your Apple ID, the new owner can buy with your Visa, MasterCard, American Express card, all content. No. So, if you're going to sell your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, you have to perform 2 steps. First step is Find My iPhone, switch off. That you can find general, then go to your Apple ID, and then you go to the app Find My. After you switch that off, you can go to general and go down to erase all data and settings and everything. And here you can see we are back in setup, like brand new. That's easy, isn't it? And this only cost you 5 minutes. This is so important to sell or give or if you're going to give the app, the iPhone to a support center, etc., because they do not have to read your data. So that it is how to perform a clear and good factory reset on your Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.